Some of you guys may have noticed that there's this little small unknown altcoin called Chainlink that has been moving up on the CMC list actually for the past 2 years. Just kidding. Almost everyone in the crypto space has heard of Chainlink. Now, what's unbelievable is it is now over $9. It has formed a new all-time high actually multiple times this year, and now it's sitting at number 9 on CMC with a market cap of over $3.2 billion, and each link is now worth $9.20. Is this growth sustainable? And more importantly, is this a legit project? There is a company called Zeus Capital LLP that has come out recently spreading a lot of FUD. So in this video, I want to look at what Zeus Capital is saying and look at some of these partnerships that Chainlink has made and see if they are legit. All right, so let's start out by looking at this company that is causing a lot of FUD right now against Chainlink. In fact, they have said openly that they have opened up a short position and they expect Chainlink to drop 99%. So that is their position right off the bat. And looking at their website, they describe themselves as an asset management firm focused on alternative investments, market infrastructure inefficiencies, and event-driven opportunities. Now, if you scroll all the way down, I mean, this looks like a legit finance site, right? They say that they're friends with CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, basically VentureBeat, all these news publications, and take a look. They say they're based in New York, Singapore, and Hong Kong. However, the phone number they list is for Hong Kong. So it kind of seems like they are a Hong Kong-based business, right? Well, I actually call that number, and it just leads to an automated system that says that they're busy and leave your number and information and so forth after the beep. So it goes straight to voicemail. You never get anyone. So that right off the bat is a little suspicious. This also came out from Cointelegraph, right? Which actually claims that influencers, YouTubers, Twitters, social media people that have large amount of followers, they've been offered money to post basically unfavorable charts about Chainlink, which, to be honest, is really hard because Chainlink's charts are actually really, really good. It just pretty much shows it goes upwards and upwards and upwards forever. But there's a lot of people that claim that they have been reached out by Zeus Capital, and this is what they're saying. And there's someone, in fact, that actually asked them for 5 BTC, and they actually came back and said, you know what, we're kind of interested. So this obviously is not a good look. Zeus Capital is doubling down on Chainlink and saying that is a pump and dump, right? And they have posted this expose, right, about Chainlink and why they think that Chainlink is just a pure pump and dump and it's a fraud. And this is what it is, all right? It's very, very long, 59 pages, and I looked through it. Target price 7 cents, downside potential 99%. It's a lot of fluff. I mean, honestly, that's what it is. There's no hard evidence of anything. Zeus Capital is just claiming that, yeah, there's some loose partnerships, and every time there's a partnership, that link gets pumped up. And you know what? If you look at the network activity and you look at the use cases and so forth, it doesn't justify the price of Link. But there's no hard evidence anywhere that Link is actually fraud, or Chainlink is a fraud and it's a pump and dump. They can't prove any of that. The only thing they're saying is basically it's overpriced. But honestly, what isn't overpriced when you look at crypto? Maybe besides Bitcoin. Now, something else I want to look at with Chainlink is I've heard of people asking me, are their partnerships legit? Some of them are with big, well-known companies such as Google and Oracle. So what I decided to do is look up some of these claimed partnerships to see if it's actually legit or if Chainlink made it all up. Well, the biggest one has to be Google. And here's one directly off Google Cloud's blog. So Chainlink can't fake this. Building a hybrid blockchain cloud application with Ethereum and Google Cloud. And you can see clearly Chainlink right there, right? And if you dig down into this, what is it about? Okay, basically, there's a database on Google Cloud, and they call it BigQuery. Anyone that's programming and utilize Ethereum, if they want to access BigQuery, they can do so with Oracle middleware Chainlink. It is a pretty significant deal because if you want to program with Ethereum and you can host it on Google Cloud and you want to access Google Cloud's BigQuery, you could do so with Chainlink, right? So this is totally legit. Now, in terms of how many people that actually use it, I don't know. Maybe 0, maybe 100, maybe 1,000, maybe 100,000. Don't know, but this is actually legit. So yeah, with Google, number one, this is verified. Now, this Oracle one, a lot of people seem to think that this is fake because there was a Cloud Expo and you had someone, Fernando, that came up on stage, and you could search for this on YouTube, and they were talking about this new collaboration with Chainlink. And what is it? Well, if you look at this slide right here, basically, they're starting something new. Basically, they're going to get 50 startups to sell their data to Oracle's 430,000 customers utilizing Chainlink. Now, a lot of people didn't think this is legit, right? So I decided to find this, and this is part of Oracle's blog. Again, you can't fake this. It's on Oracle's website. Now, I can't verify how many startups are actually utilizing this and selling data, but this is still ongoing, and you can sign up. So join the program to participate, and this is what it is. Oracle for startups, okay? And searching for Fernando on his LinkedIn, it does show he has worked for Oracle for 6 years, 6 months, and he's a principal solution architect. So he is someone that is from Oracle. So again, this partnership is confirmed. Now, there's a ton of partnerships with other blockchain companies, and this is a list. This is a full list, about 31. So I picked some of the ones that you guys may recognize. For example, Matic. This is on their own blog. Here's another one, Hendra Hashgraph. Here's one from IOST. So bottom line, the oracles from Chainlink exist. That is why there's so many blockchain companies out there that's partner up with Chainlink to utilize their oracles to access data from other blockchains or from public companies utilizing their APIs. And this relationship with Google Cloud and Oracle is also real, and they exist. So Chainlink does exist. The partnerships are real, and there are people utilizing it. So this FUD from Zeus Capital is complete FUD. It is. It's just meant to spread fear and doubt, and it really, there's no basis. They can't prove anything. Now, am I 100% all in on Chainlink? No. In fact, I hold very little Chainlink. I wish I had more Chainlink. But the bottom line is, Chainlink is climbing. Is it overvalued? I think so. I've been saying that for the past 2 years, that Chainlink, despite the fact it is being used, it has a good Oracle system, I've always thought that it was overpriced for what it was offering. But it is a necessity. And because this is crypto, even though it's overpriced, it's about right when you compare it to other projects that have even less traction and less users and less usage. They're worth just as much, if not more. Now, can Chainlink continue to go higher? I say so, yes. I definitely think so. Even at $9.20, Chainlink is at 3.2 billion market cap. Right under Cardano at 3.5, Litecoin is 3.8, Bitcoin SV at 4.2, and Bitcoin Cash at 5.4. Can Chainlink double from here and get to a $6.4 billion market cap? I think so. In terms of usage, in terms of what they're providing, yeah, I think they actually can double from here and they could be at $18 to $20. It would not be unreasonable. Now, how fast will it take for Chainlink to go up? I don't know. I don't know. But I do think they could hold. They could definitely hold at number 9. They could definitely hold within the top 10. And they could definitely go much higher. All right, so what do you guys think? Are you bullish on Link, or do you agree with Zeus Capital and you think that they're purely a pump and dump and everyone should sell because it could go down 99%? Leave your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you follow me on Twitter. You see my handle in the left-hand corner. Make sure you follow me and stay tuned for my next video. And also my live stream on Friday at 10:30 a.m. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.